Okay, so what we got here? Year, make, model.
51 Mercury.
Ooh.
Yeah, top's chopped 4 inches. It's a pure custom lead sled. Got a 51. It's got a 351 Ford Windsor with automatic overdrive, and it goes down the road like a Cadillac, buddy. It just is soft and quiet. I turn Elvis on, buddy, and I'm ready.
paint job is just, oh.
That's Cadillac white diamond pearl, the color on it.
Cadillac white diamond pearl.
Yeah.
Oh. American right here. How you guys? This is his brother. You say 3 years?
He's 3 years older.
3 years older than him. They look like twins. Truly.
Yeah.
All right, National Geographic, Motor Trends America. And these are the guys that set the trends for Kentucky.
Yes, and I looked up to him all my life. He was my idol.
Thanks for sharing that with us.
Shoot, yeah, man.
Thanks for sharing that with us.
Thank you for doing all of this.